Common faults in the setup. Show of hands, please, whose lower back was rounding in the deadlift setup. Nice and high so I can see. Okay, you should be able to work through this pretty quickly now, guys. Set up in the deadlift, eyes on me. This is the position. What is tight? What could be pulling me into this position? Tightness through hamstrings, yeah. Again, in a squat, not so much where the knee is bent, but tightness in the hamstrings here. So, what would this person do? What stretch, what PNF would they do? Hamstring PNF. There's your first exercise to fix that problem. Could there be something underactive? Again, here's my deadlift position. Is something underactive here?
Thoracic.
Lower back, yeah, like erector spinae muscles. So the lower back muscles could do with being stronger. Now, what's the best way to get the lower back stronger when you do deadlifts? That's a good one. That's a good one. More deadlifts with better technique. Yeah? The best way for you to improve your positions is to do the movements where those issues emerge with good technique. Above all else, that is your priority. If your knees fall in when you squat, squat with your knees not falling in. Yeah, specificity, that's the best way to do it. But we talked before about, oh yeah, my knees don't fall in when it gets heavy. They do. We're getting to the margins of our experience. That's where that's not going to work so well. We talked about coaching versus motor control versus movement therapy. This is the movement therapy stuff we're talking about now. So, I would work on the lower back. Something like all the arch work that you guys did in the gymnastics module out there. You could feel your lower back working, hey? So, posterior pelvic tilt. Bless you. We need to lengthen out the hamstrings, stretch out the hamstrings, and work on the strength of the lower back. So arch rocks, arch stuff, and hamstring PNF. Thoracic flexion, we touched on that out there already. We want some more. We want this movement. Now, if you're set up like this, what's not turning on? So my lower back is set, but my upper back is rounded. Like, it's hard to do, but like that.
External rotators.
Yeah, lats, external rotators. So you want to do exercises that are going to activate your lats. So maybe you do like a banded straight arm pull down, or any of the bar muscle up stuff that Kyle showed you. It's going to be great for isolating your lats. That's what it's for. And at the same time, you work on your bar muscle ups. Efficient programming is about taking superfluous things away, not adding superfluous things in. Okay? Try and overlap those circles on the Venn diagram. And a release through thoracic extension. How about internal rotators? Do my internal rotators look tight?
Yeah.
How can we fix tight internal rotators? What does it look like?
The
Broomstick, like we had the 4 guys standing up here doing. Yeah. You do that. Every time you identify that's an issue in your deadlift, in your setup position, you do those 4 exercises. And it's going to fix the problems you've identified as you've gone through.